finally.
Enfin, finalement.
Finally, you're here. I finally found my keys. The bus finally arrived. Finally, we can go home.
Always. Toujours.
I always wake up early. She always helps me. He is always late. I'll always remember you.
Usually. Habituellement.
I usually drink coffee in the morning. She usually walks to work. We usually eat at home. He usually arrives early.
Sometimes. Parfois.
I sometimes watch movies at night.
Sometimes I feel tired. She sometimes calls me. We sometimes go out together.
At the moment. En ce moment.
I'm working at the moment. She's busy at the moment. I can't talk at the moment. What are you doing at the moment?
For now. Pour l'instant.
That's enough for now. Let's wait for now. Let's wait for now. I'll stay here for now.
Already. Déjà.
I already know that. Have you already eaten? It's already too late. I already told you.
Still. Encore.
I'm still here. Are you still working? I still need your help. It's still raining.
After. Après.
I'll call you after work. What happened after that? Let's talk after dinner. Come back after lunch.
Before. Avant.
Think. Think before you speak. Call me before you leave. I need to eat before I go.
Enough. Assez.
I've had enough. Is that enough? That's good enough.
Almost. Presque.
I almost forgot. It's almost finished. I'm almost ready. We're almost there.
Late. Tard. En retard.
It's getting late. Don't be late.